What's up, guys? It's Pandora the Cryptobabe, Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? If you're here for the first time, guys, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. I'm back, guys, because I want to show you guys a few of the affiliate marketing programs that I'm promoting. I have a pretty busy schedule and I need to fit this in within the week, maybe at least once a week, run down these affiliate programs. So I'm going to try to fit them in there. So let's talk about it. All right, if you're here for the first time, check out my crypto projects at www.coffeeandcoins.info. And then if you want to check out affiliate marketing, learn how you can make $100 to $2,000 a day, okay, with affiliate marketing, guys. Instant commissions paid directly to you, member to member, no rug pulls, okay, very, very minimal. I mean, it's 99.9%. Not gonna happen, okay, because it's digital marketing, digital education. All right, and we're paid member to member directly from the people that sign up from our link any way we want. All right, whether it's Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, credit card, cash, Bitcoin, however we want to get paid. Love it, love it, love it. Folks that have been following me know this is my #1 way to earn online. I'm heavy in affiliate marketing because this works. And basically now I've got the best of both worlds because I've got my active affiliate marketing programs, peer-to-peer instant commissions, and then I've got my DeFi passive platforms. All right. So if you're like me and you would like to balance that out where you have both, or you may be just looking for an alternative to say, hey, you know what, I think I want to do something different. I am sick of the rug pulls. I want to do something a little different. Show me another way. All right, and that's what I'm here to do. So if you're looking for that, go to www.getpaidfromhome.info. All right, so let's talk about this for a minute. So you're going to see this page right here, work from home step-by-step system. Go ahead and watch this little short video. Enter your information in. Trust me, I personally am not going to be calling you, okay? I sift and sort. I let my system do all the heavy lifting, all right? And if you're interested in what you see, you're either going to sign up, or you're going to ask for more information. But we will have a system in place to follow up with you as well, okay? So make sure you put your right email in, guys, because I am not, trust me, that's not how I market, all right? So put in your right information so you can get more information on this, all right? So unlimited income potential, work from home proven system, super simple. No experience is needed because we're going to show you how to do it. All right, so do that, go there. Now, let me go over some of the programs that I'm a part of. All right, let's go. All right, here's a few of the programs. I've put them in one place that keeps it simple. So I recently added this instant $25 payment. I've got a low ticket because I had people asking, hey, well, do you have anything a little under $100? Because our lowest ticket, actually the 75, is the lowest one that we had initially, and then 100. So now we've added a 25. So for $35, you can start an online business and start receiving $25 commissions instantly. All these are instant pay. All right, except, of course, LiveGood. They pay once a week. The company pays. These digital programs, instant pay. All right, so let's start here. All right, let's take a look at this one, $300 a day. All right, so you want to go there. Check this out. There's a few different plans that you can get in, right? Different training levels. So get in where you fit in. No pressure here. All right, so we're going to go down. Let's take a look. We've got plenty proof payment where people have made commissions with this. I've shown over and over and over and over proof payments. All right, so what we want to do is go down here. Let's take a look at the options you have. So you can get started for as low as $50 down here. 50, 150, or 300. You're all in. All right, now, excuse me, they've changed the website fee. It's excuse me, $39. So let's take a look here. See right here, it's going to show you $39. So guys, you can get started for as low as $89. All right, this is one of the programs as well. I'm not going to get into depth with them because there's a lot of them to go through, but I wanted you to just see what is here. All right, so 3 levels of training. If you select the 339, it'll be 300 plus 39 for your website. You get all the lower levels are included. You'll get the 150 and the 50. All right, so that gives you 3 levels of income with this one system. Promote one link. Okay, so that's that one, the $300 blueprint. Okay, then we've got our $247 payments, $247 payments. You can collect those. Great program. All these are great programs. You just decide where you want to get in, right? This one has no levels, but the one level where you're going to earn $247 over and over. No other levels in here. All right, see, they've got me in here as well. Proof payment. This is an old screenshot, but at any rate, proof payments of folks getting paid. All right, so one level, and again, training is always good because you need to always be learning. Okay, so this one, how much is it to get in this one? $247. So it's going to be 50 plus $247. These are one-time payments, by the way, on all these. There's no monthly fees. Pay one time, you're good to go for life. All right, and you can earn over and over and over and over, just like it says here. So $247 plus the 50, one time. All right, so that's a great platform as well. All right, so let's go to the next one, which you know about LiveGood. Earn those $25 commissions, and we won't go into that one. I'm speaking of my member-to-member programs right now. Then we've got our other one here, Guaranteed Leads IO, where you can earn $75 commissions over and over and over. Love these programs, okay, because I don't have to worry about my commissions, any of that stuff, because the person that signs up with you is paying you directly. All right, so $75 commissions on this one, guys. All right, and then there is an admin fee to go with that. So it's 75 plus, let's see, what is that admin fee? Let me take a look. One time 125. Okay, so the 75 plus what? The 55, 50. All right, so that's what you're going to pay for this one, $125 total, and you're able to earn $75 commissions over and over and over and over again. Okay, these websites do all the selling and telling. We don't have to explain this stuff. Okay, trust me, it's going to sift and sort all the tire kickers out. Okay, the people that's interested, either they're going to sign up or they want to ask for more information. Hey, I got a question for you. I'm ready to get started, but I've got one more question or 2 more questions. And you're going to be paid directly from them. All right, so that's another one. Okay, $75 payments. Then, of course, we've got another platform that pays anywhere from $100 to $2,000 commissions here with this one. This program has been around for 9 years. Okay, 9 years, guys, and they now have a call center where you don't even have to answer any questions if you don't want, and they'll do an 80-20 split with you. If they answer the questions for you, the people call this number down here at the bottom of the screen. you're going to get 80%. The call center is going to get 20%. Okay. So here's the call center number. And or if you answer all the questions, you keep 100%. Either way, you're going to earn instant commissions. That's what it's all about. All right. So $100 commissions, $250, $500, and $1,000 and $2,000. Let's take a look here. Right here. Okay. Let's move this out of the way. All right. 149 is the lowest to get started here. Okay, 149 all the way up to 2,000. I think it's 2,400. Okay, if you go with the G2000, you're all in. You're able to earn on every one of these levels. $100 commissions, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000 commissions. Okay, again, no monthly fees. All right, guys. So this is digital education training as well. 5 product packages. All right. Awesome system. Okay. So that's another one. All right. Let's take a look at the next one here. Of course, I have my direct mail program. I'll be back to talk about that in the next few days or so. All right. But that's a whole nother way to market and earn commissions as well. Okay, you get your money orders in the mail, but we're not talking about that one right now. We'll be back to talk about that. All right, then the newly added one that I recently added here, these $25 commissions, these instantly as well. This one is only $35 total to get started. For those of you that say, hey, I don't quite have $149, but I've got $35. All right, well, this is one you can take a look at here. Give this thing a second here. Hang on. Okay, there we are. All right, so as you can see, people are signing up while I am speaking. Again, pays 100% commissions, guys. Video, website, does all the selling and telling. Now, you can set you up a free account, take a look around, see what it's all about. And they tell you right here, you can accept PayPal, credit card payments, Cash App, Bitcoin, Zelle, Venmo, whatever you want. Okay, and it's step-by-step training here. All right, and here's tons of testimonies of people that have received $25 commissions over and over and over and over. All right, now step 1, set up your system. Step 2, select your lead capture page. Step 3, start promoting. All right, and run your traffic, and I'll show you how to do all this stuff. It's not difficult. It's some people overcomplicate it, but it takes consistency. All right, nice website here. 100% commissions paid directly to you. Stripe, PayPal, Cash App, Bitcoin, Venmo, and Square. All right, so great, another great system. Low and affordable, low cost and affordable. $35 to get started. Okay, see right here, you sign up for free over here. You can't earn anything until you pay $25 plus the $10 for the admin fee. So $35 gets you in. Okay, and actually you get a lot of training for $35 bucks. All right, so just 4 sales a day, you made $100, guys. All right, so this is one you may want to take a look at, and you see they've listed here different testimonies from our Facebook group. All right, so just want to share that with you guys. I'm always talking about affiliate marketing because it's always going to be in the forefront for me. Okay, because I know it's a guaranteed deal. All right, and it's a great way to have cash flow. And then you have your DeFi, you earning passively without doing anything. Okay, so I've got the best of both worlds here. So just want to bring those to you guys today. All right, so go check it out. Go to www.getpaidfromhome.info. If you see something you're interested in, go check it out. Read over the if you have any questions. If you're serious, I'm not looking for the curious. I'm looking for the serious. All right, guys. So that's it. That's all. Thank you for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, till we meet again. Be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.